Keke, I swear tama jolly geze. Indeed, my tama is quite big. Not that I'm complaining, but I'm wondering, am I eating too much? Anyway, hi darlings. Yes, Faridah here, and today, as Valentine's draws closer, I want us to talk about self-love. I know lots of people have talked about it, but what is self-love? To me, self-love is being accountable and not abusing freedoms by doing whatever simply because it is my life. Yes, simply because it is my life doesn't mean I should go around doing whatever, no matter who it affects. No. Also, I think that self-love is pouring into your cup first before you think about the others. Why? Because it is so easy to give and end up with nothing. And that is so wrong. Why? Because takers do not have limits. And that I speak out of experience. They will take, and take. So if you do not have limits, you will end up running dry. Now, this time, in as much as I have lots of love around me, I choose to be intentional with giving myself. And this Valentine's Day, I am going to use my cheaper card to spoil myself by shopping around different online stores. I love shoes. Oh yes, I love shoes. And this time, before anybody gifts me, I'm going to gift myself. So what is self-love to you? And what are your plans this Valentine's Day? Let's meet in the comment section. Otherwise, may God bless you. Yes, and happy Valentine's Day in advance.